Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a device called a navigator. It goes underwater and cleans the bottom of your pool. It moves around. There's a hose that provides suction here, and it has gears and vanes and stuff that just make it move around due to the suction that's applied to it. Anyway, one of my local pool stores had a tune-up day where you could bring your navigator in. There are some parts that wear out, and mine was in pretty good shape except for one thing. This piece here is not supposed to flop all the way out. It's supposed to stop right about there. It's not supposed to flop out that far. The other side works okay. So this part here they said needs replacing, which is like $50 plus labor, I don't know. Anyway, I got to thinking that it's working except for just that popping out thing. How could I fix that? And I thought about a couple of ways. What happens is these holes that the piece pivot on, these holes get a little bit elongated, a little big, and that's what allows it to move away from the body and flip past where it's supposed to stop right there because the holes are too big. But I thought, what if I just put a piece of safety wire, stainless steel, stainless rust resistant wire across here so it could only move like that far. So anyway, that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to drill a couple of holes. I think this is staying in focus pretty good. You might see a little black mark there, and I did one on the other side. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes in there and then run a piece of safety wire. I've got some safety wire pliers, and I think this is stainless. If it's not, I'm going to find out right away because it'll get rusty, and then I'll just buy some more wire. And they do sell stainless safety wire. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I drilled a couple of holes. That was pretty easy. And I've got a little length of safety wire here. And I'm going to try and show you how the pliers work. What you do is you get the ends that you want to twist and you clamp them in there. The pliers clamp, and then this holds it tight. So those are clamped tight. And then you just pull on this piece on the end, and it twists. I've only got one hand here on the pliers, so obviously my little navigator is moving. Maybe I can get a foot up. Oh boy, let's see if I can get a foot up there. There. Okay, now I can pull on it. See, this is very awkward, but it's showing you how the pliers will twist around and make a nice neat twist on there. That's how you use safety wire and safety wire pliers. Okay, let me run that across the other side. The other side I might have to do by hand. I don't think I'm going to be able to do the wire because it's intended to go a loop around like that and bring the two loose pieces together and then twist them. I don't know. Let me think. Well, I was actually able to bring the two wires around and bring them together the way you're supposed to do it. And then I'm just going to twist this in there, and I'll bend it over here and here a little bit so it has some movement. It never did move as much as the other side because there's a forwards and a backwards. So we'll try it. We'll throw it in the pool, see if it works. Alright, well, you just shove it on the end of that hose, that's all, and there's a valve that you turn over in the pool equipment area that regulates the suction, how much suction is going to the navigator versus how much suction is just in the regular old drains on the pool. So it looks like it's working okay anyway. It went up the wall a little bit, it turned, it came back down. It's appears to be changing directions okay, which is what it's supposed to do. And it's supposed to go kind of slow and lazy like that. It's not supposed to go really, really fast, because this is the slow movement over a piece of debris or a piece of sand or whatever is what allows the suction to suck it up the hose. So there you go. I think it works. All I got to do is check it in about a week and see if it's rusting. If it is, I'll get the other kind of wire and just do it over again. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And be safe, have fun. If you want notifications, check on that little bell next to subscribe, and then that'll get you notifications when I put up a new video. Okay? See ya. Bye-bye.